Oh yes. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. Steak sandwich. Yeah, I'm gonna make a steak sandwich today. I got a ribeye steak that we're going to tenderize, pan-sear in a silver saute pan, toasted French roll, straight up mayo, tomato and lettuce, iceberg lettuce. Like the type where I grew up, I would go to the burger stand and grab a steak sandwich plate, and it came with fries, but it came with the sandwich. And I'm mimicking, that's my copycat? Okay, you can call it a copycat of a old-fashioned burger stand steak sandwich. Wow, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's take a look at these ingredients. Alright, these are our ingredients for our steak sandwich. Starting with a nice boneless ribeye. We're gonna have some beefsteak tomatoes, some shredded iceberg lettuce, French roll, whole butter, softened to room temperature, some fresh thyme to finish off our steak. And we're going to tenderize the steak. And we're going to use some plastic wrap. We're going to tenderize it with this nice medium sauce pot. Let's get started. Yes, we're going to be cooking our steak today on this stainless steel saute pan. And we'll be toasting our French roll in this old style comal or griddle. You can use a toaster or a sheet tray in the oven, but we're going to use a comal for the French roll and this beautiful sauté for the steak. Alright, let's tenderize our steak, and we're also going to make it not as thick. It'll cook faster, and we're assuring that she'll be tender. There's beautiful marbling on this ribeye, so I have no doubt that it will be tender, but a little pounding will go a long way. So I have the steak sandwiched in between two pieces of plastic wrap. Here we go. Uh-oh, look out. I'm gonna turn her over. And basically, just be sure that it's all the same thickness. That's all she wrote. Let's move on. Alright, let's turn on the comal. Give her a good 10 minutes, and we're going to turn on our saute pan on low heat, and we're going to also give it 10 minutes. Alright, so let's start with buttering our French bread. We're gonna put it right griddle on the comal. Beautiful. All right, our steak, I went ahead and trimmed, as you can see, so it'll fit our French roll. And I'm only going to use Lawry's garlic salt to season. Yeah, man, that's gonna be good. All right, it looks like our pan is just about ready. Let's fire this steak. All right, looks like our pan is smoking hot. I have peanut oil in there to withstand this hot heat. And here we go with the steak. Always roll it away from you. Once you put your steak in your pan, just leave it alone. We're gonna give it a good 3 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, it's time to turn her over. Let's see what we got going. Oh yeah. Oh no. Well, that's nice color though. That means she's nice and tender. Oh, steak fries are looking marvelous. All right, let's give her another 3 minutes. Let's take a look at our bread. Yeah, they're ready to get pulled off. Let the bread hang out. All right, this built this sandwich. So we're gonna add the steak right there. To the top of the bun, we're gonna add some mayonnaise. Just straight up mayo. Gonna add the beef steak tomatoes. Bit of salt. Pepper. Gonna add the fresh shredded iceberg on the steak. There you have it. Let's cut her open. Right there. Let's give it a taste test. All right, let's taste this. Looks beautiful. I may have gotten a little over on the steak, but just a beautiful crust. Let's see. Cheers. Beefy, steaky. Man, that's a nice sandwich. That's a beautiful flavor you get from that golden sear on that sauté pan. I tasted the Lawry seasonings, the garlic in there, not so much the parsley. I could taste the rosemary at the end. Man, that was delicious. That was a steak sandwich. That was a steak sandwich, and wow, hope you enjoyed this. Another steak video out there, and I'll be doing more sandwich videos in honor of football coming back around. I know that some of you guys doing football eats. I'll call them hashtag football eats. Other guys, football snacks, hashtag football snacks, or in honor of my Raiders coming back, and they're looking tough this year. That's right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.